You work hard every single month, you get paid, and somehow by the end of the month, it's all gone. Food delivery took some. Streaming subscriptions took some. Amazon took the rest. Sound familiar? What if I told you there is one simple habit that anyone, anywhere in the world can start, and that could make you genuinely wealthy? It's called SIP, a systematic investment plan. Meet Alex. He starts investing $200 a month at age 22. His friend, Jamie, waits. Same fund, same amount, but Jamie starts at 32. By the time both of them are 55, Alex has $460,000 and Jamie has $188,000. Same money, same investment, just 10 years earlier, and Alex walks away with 2.4 times more. That is compounding. Your money earns returns. Those returns earn more returns, and over time, it snowballs into something extraordinary. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world, and once you see it in action, you'll understand why. Here's another fact. You can start an SIP with as little as $10, 10 pounds, 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, or whatever the equivalent in your currency. Less than a meal out every single month. The amount doesn't matter as much as the habit. Small, consistent, automatic. The question is, when are you going to start? Here is exactly how to start an SIP. Step number 1, open an investing account. Pick a trusted investing app or platform available in your country. Most take less than 15 minutes to set up. You'll need a government ID and your bank details. That's it. Step number 2, choose an index fund. If you're a beginner, keep it simple. Look for a fund that tracks your country's top companies like the S&P 500, FTSE 100, Nifty 50, or any broad market index. No guessing, no research rabbit holes, just the whole market in one fund. Step number 3, decide your monthly amount. Start with whatever you can comfortably afford. $50, $100, 1000 rupees, it doesn't matter. Consistency beats amount every single time. Step 4, set up auto invest. Schedule it right away after your payday. The money moves automatically every month. You don't have to think about it. You don't have to remember it. It just happens. And last but not the least, step number 5, do not touch it. This is the hardest step. When markets fall, and they will fall, do not panic. Do not sell. Markets have recovered from every single crash in history. Every single one. The investors who win are not the smartest ones. They are the most patient ones. Now, why not just leave money in a savings account? Here's the problem. A savings account gives you maybe 2 to 4% interest a year. But inflation, the rising cost of everything around you, eats up that same amount. So, you're not growing. You're just standing still. Your money is actually losing value in real terms. A well-chosen index fund has historically returned 10 to 14% annually over the long run. That's real growth. Wealth that actually beats inflation. And here's something most people don't realize. When markets fall, your SIP actually works in your favor because you're buying more units at a cheaper price. So when the markets recover, and it always does, you gain even more. Think of it like this. If your favorite store had a 30% off sale, you wouldn't stop shopping there. You'd buy more. A market dip is the same thing, a sale on your future wealth. SIPs are also completely flexible. Pause anytime, increase when you earn more, stop if life gets complicated. No lock-in, no penalty, no drama. And the best part? It builds financial discipline automatically. The money leaves before you spend it. Future you is sorted, even when present you isn't thinking about it. Here is the truth. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You don't need to understand the markets. You just need to start. Pick an app, choose an index fund, set up small monthly amount, and then leave it alone. That one small decision today could be worth hundreds of thousands tomorrow. If this video has helped you, share it with one person who keeps saying they'll start investing someday. Be the reason they finally do. See you in the next one. Subscribe for more such powerful financial tips.